Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a landing page in ConvertKit. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, open the ConvertKit website. As you can see, I'm already logged into my ConvertKit account and I'm on the dashboard. Click on Grow in the top panel, then select Landing Pages and Forms. Click E plus New or Create New and choose Landing Page. On the next page, you'll see options to filter by category on the left. Choose the template you like and click on it. Once you're on the template editor page, you can customize it as you wish. Edit the text, images, and other elements. After making all the necessary changes, click Publish in the top right corner. You can also choose to save your landing page if you're not ready to publish it yet. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.